this is the mandible of dog, one half of the mandible. The main characteristic feature of the mandible of the dog and the features through which we can differentiate this mandible of dog from that of mandible of the ox. The first one here, this is the one half of the mandible. Here it is have the mandibular symphysis. So the fusion of the two halves of the mandible here it is incomplete. So complete नहीं होता है, it is fusion of two halves of the mandible that is incomplete. And here the second point here, this is the body. ठीक है, this is the body. The alveolar border of the body, in each half it presents, there are 3 alveoli for incisor and 1 for the canine teeth. ठीक है, 1, 2 and 3 alveoli for incisors, and this one, this is for the canine teeth. So 3, 1, 4, 3 and 3, 1, 4, 3 is the dental formula. ठीक है, and this is the lateral surface and this is the medial surface. This foramen, this is known as mandibular foramen and this is known as mental foramen. Here in case of the dog, the mental foramens are 2 to 3 in number. Here 1, 2 and 3 mental foramens are present. This is again here 1 and 2 foramen. So इसमें 2 है, इसमें 3 है. So that means the range of the mental foramens, it varies from 2 to 3. And here on the alveolar border of the horizontal part of the ramus, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 alveoli for the cheek teeth. Out of the 7, 4 होते हैं, they are premolar, and 3 जो होते हैं, they are molars. 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the premolars 4, and here we have 1, 2 and 3, these are the molars. So on the alveolar border of the horizontal part of the ramus, we have the 7 alveoli for the cheek teeth. And on the lateral aspect of the vertical part of the ramus, there is a fossa present. ठीक है, ये fossa है यहाँ पे, that is called as masseteric fossa. This masseteric fossa, it is meant for the insertion of the masseter. जो यहाँ पे एक important muscle होते हैं, that is called as masseter muscle. ठीक है, so here this is called as masseteric fossa. This process, this is known as coronoid process, and here this is the condyle. ठीक है, here in case of the mandible of the dog, the condyle जो होता है, it is lower in position, बहुत नीचे होता है ये. ठीक है, almost the level of this alveolar border of the horizontal ramus. ठीक है, so this is the condyle. And very one important differentiating feature here, it is we have this process that is known as this one. This is known as angular process. इसको हम angular process बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so this angular process, it corresponds to the angle of the jaw of the other species. ठीक, so this is the angular process. This is the masseteric fossa, and here on the alveolar border of the body, we have there are 3 alveoli for incisors and 1 alveoli for the cheek teeth. And जो mental foramens होते हैं, they are about 2 to 3 in number. These are the mental foramens. ठीक है, same here you can see, this is the masseteric fossa, this is angular process, this is the coronoid process, this is the condyle. ठीक है, and these are the cheek teeth, and this one, this is the canine teeth. You can see here 1, 2 and 3 alveoli for incisors and 1 here for the cheek teeth. ठीक है, and here mandibular symphysis, this is the medial surface, and here we have the foramen that is known as mandibular foramen. So this was all about the mandible of the dog. Thank you.